Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method, you just open your phone application, open the keypad and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and this code displays your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also your serial number. Fine number with like only one number in it. And another method, just open settings, go to the system, then to the about phone, and here you can find, go to status, all of these informations like your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also you can find your serial number in another section, like in other specs, model type, like so. Okay, so I guess you can find it only like with the first method, because as you can see there's no serial number here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.